Happy Fire Alarm Day 2018. And these are just some of the alarms that can be found here in Rochester. Matter of fact, a couple of them I've actually found here, or procured here. Like this one and this one. And I'll show you a video montage of alarms that I've seen in buildings. Of course, some of these buildings you've already seen before, in like tours or alarm videos. Start with mine, apartment building. Again, you've seen it plenty of times and heard it. The advanced speaker strobes and the speakers in my room. They've been using it for announcements too. Because before, they've just been using these. And like in the hallways and on first and second, when they make announcements for this, you can't hear them. So now they're using the alarms more often. But now let's go to the montage. The YMCA uses these. See my 9-wall mount. I heard them go off once actually on the scanner. Here at 125 Live they have these speaker strobes, advanced speaker strobes, advanced strobes. There's advanced speakers outside. I'll show you a picture there. One in the building's room here. Outside, they have these advanced ceiling mount horse strobes, which you've seen before. And weatherproof ones in here. And as I mentioned before, this one's here, 120 volt. One without a projector. One with one over here. There, and you saw that. Not sure if I showed you one in the gym though. Not sure if there are any alarms in here. Probably still be the 4040s. But here's the gym. And the alarms up here. Oop, I missed it. Probably MT4 115 or something like that, since everything else is on 115, 120. And there's a T-bar over here too. Right there. You've seen this. This is the hockey rinks. True alarm and 4251. Alarms over here. A single projector, and then there's one over here too. Right there. And there's one down here. Right there. Without the projector. Now we go to this other end. The horn strobe over here. Spectral advance. Horn strobe over here. Again, you've seen this, my tour of this building. Wiffle ball there. Wall mount down here. True alarm there. Again, over here is that hidden ceiling mount one I showed you. Ooh. That one. And down the other hallway is the triangle dual projector alarm. Down there. You kind of see it there. There it is. This one. And you saw that before. Here. Again, there's ones up here. Advances, and then there's the strobes in the restrooms. You've seen that. Right there. Here's the annunciator for it. 125 Live, that is. Bill notifier, just like ours. Of course, we don't have the annunciator, we have the full panel. Graham Ramp has special order advances. There's some classics in here too. Goodwill North has this special advance, lone one. Graham Residences and Suites has these. Simplex EVAC. Not sure where the panel is. I think it's an area where general public can't get to. Like in the building itself. Well, it's this building, but in parts of the building that only residents can get in. You see it. Yeah, you've seen this. My First Street Ramp video. First Street Ramp has these advances that were 9833s behind flush mount grills, and then over here is the 9840s. You've seen that though, because that was still there when I did my original Civic Center tour video. More of these alarms. This goes to the library this way. This all the way down here. There's Skyway actually. Let's go to that. So here's the library. There's the library. Multi-Cantel AS. I do believe there. Yeah. You can kind of see this. They were like rectangular 4903s. Not sure which variant. Probably using mechanical or electronic. Library has ASs in them too. Obviously, you're not going to see that. Johnson Controls BG12s. Civic Center, of course, you've seen those. And you've heard them. EST system with the sound programmed into it. I see strobe lights in here. Yeah, oh my God.
Reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and
I was surprised. I heard it. I thought it was I was thinking it was going to be the 1200 hertz tone. That type of tone. Of course, you remember over here. Like right there, I still remember where that electromechanical 4903 was. It was actually over here, of course. Then you remember the one that was over here that I videoed years ago. Not years ago, like year before last year or last year. It was taken down last year. Right there. If you remember, it was definitely a smart sync one because the strobe didn't fire until they silenced the alarm. Speaking of the integrities, behind these doors, there's the actual speaker versions of those. Got to see them beginning of June, I think it was. And I had a talent show, played Wipeout. In this area, though, there's, you saw this, the electromechanical 4903. Now, this area was just speakers up there, and then don't see any strobes out here, but wait, there's a wall there. What the heck? But anyway, there's a room off to here, off of there, that has the 202 series remote strobes, Edwards. Show a picture of that. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this wall here. What the, oh, it's not a wall, it's just a big roll-up door. course, you remember what this was way back when. The old simplex lights. There actually is one remaining all the way on the other end of this. Not sure if it's still active though. It's still installed. Financial Center has these ceiling mount wheel locks. 24 protectors. One over here right by the light. That's 1200. Doubletree also uses spectacular advanced speaker strobes and strobes. Top of the University Square has the advanced horn strobes. Back when it was the Center Place Galleria, there was. Anyway, it was the old, what is it, Faraday horn strobe with the vertical strobe with the magnetic magnifying lens on it. And then there's a video on Instagram of these going off. Now this is the old theater. Well, it was. Then it was Barnes & Noble and then it closed. But yeah, wheel lock with a weatherproof strobe. Couple DI3s there. One all the way over here too. Right there. It's all the way above that. How do they test that, let alone the lights? Replace the lights. There is a beam detector there. Camera. And they also have the same alarms here. And there's the 2151. Basically a conventional version of like the notifier addressables. There's a really rare detector downstairs. Also actually in the lobby, which is being remodeled. This whole building's gonna be remodeled. But in the lobby, which is remodeled, you have PC2WLs right now. You know those.
Totally. So
This.
I told everybody, not everybody.
Anyway, I'm not sure if you're having a cat. Think it clunk between the little girl's screams. That was the elevator bell. Oh, now I hear it. You might not, but you might probably just finally told her to shut up. Come back to that actually. The Kayla Grand. You've seen this. Spectral Classic speaker strobes. There's some advanced ones. Another part. This is actually set to a siren tone. About a year ago, yesterday, I heard it go off on the scanner feed. And of course, if you remember from my tour, disjointed, and then if you remember from my tour, right where that one was, that was a really old one that said kitty quarter fire alarm. Like an MSECO strobe. Oh, battery. Right here. Kind of wish I knew what happened to that strobe. Probably in the landfill somewhere, sadly. For example, here's one of the advances. Right here. We're just down that hallway. Here's the Methodist Hospital, Eisenberg building. Advances. You know, they used to be the rectangular 4903 speakers. You kind of, I think, see the marks from it. Maybe not. And then down here, that's where the, what's that? Life alarms. Over here's where the life alarms were. You know, that really old video of mine where Doors going. Jacobson Building has the advances too. I've seen that. My video tour of this. Parking ramp has Spectral Classics. Not really the best spot for it. Oh, sorry. Could have put it in on here. And they have these. And this Brentwood Inn, they also have Spectral Classics. As you can see here. There's this. I can't use this. Only guests. Well, you got to hear it at least, but there's a ceiling mount horse strobe up here. Never been in here before. We're actually in the building itself. Just in this part. See, is it on this landing? Nope. My mom and dad had friends who lived down in Iowa, but then they came up here because he had deployments of some sorts. There it is. Ceiling mount. Mom said when she was up there with them, this was years ago, though, like 2000s. They had smoke guard detectors in the room. Eesh. That's not good. Turning left from there goes the employee ramp. Oh, the end of the hallway. Over here, really yellow. And the ramp itself is over here. I've seen this one because I did the elevator video of it. Make sure there's no one here. Yeah, you remember this one. Fleet Farm has these Gentex Commanders, probably 3s. And Silent Night Pulse, the gas station has Commander 4s. Skyway of the building has these loudspeaker strobes, and then the government center has loudspeaker strobes too. Like the ET70s can have the AS look to them. And down in that area, they have the vandal-proof strobes with the vandal-proof speakers with the LSM vertical strobes on them. It's one of those. There's these. And the last one for this volume, Rochester International Event Center has NVGH and Spectral Classics. Thanks for watching.